why don't we start telling the viewers a bit about your background and how did you get into watchmaking?
I started, the watch world began for me when I was very young. I always liked watches when I was a kid. Maybe 7 or 8 years old, I started taking shops. When I graduated high school, when I came to college and finally had some of my own money to spend, I began collecting like crazy. Some of the first few things I would collect is 70s watches. Primarily things like Omega, vintage Omega, vintage Zenith. I like years, so I tried to buy as many years watches as I could possibly buy. In the meantime, I was studying to become a to get a computer science degree. And while I was in college, I sort of came up with the idea for Lesablier. I hadn't